Before we engage the external purifying system, we have to prepare the lens for printing. So for this, we will use IPA and make sure that you're using it at 99% because the lens are the lens through which the laser will be melting the powder, so we can leave no marks on those lenses. So this is IPA 99%. We're spreading it on a special cloth that is supplied with the machine, and we are cleaning the lens so that no marks are remaining. After every single printing session, there is some metal dust remaining, and it's very critical to make sure that no dust remains on the lens before we start a new printing session.